Cobblestone alleys whisper tales of old. Under a slate gray sky the day unfolds. Raindrops tap a rhythm so serene and bold. As I wander the world unharmed, morning mist clings without a warning. Pavement glistens 'neath the streetlight's yawn. Umbrellas bloom like flowers adorning. See how they walk on. Past the shop fronts, puddles catch reflections. Hear the patter blend with quiet song. Let's armories follow the footsteps where history resides. On each drop that falls whispers through time's tide. In the heart of Bavaria lies a gentle rise. Stonework echoes, murmurs of days long left behind. In the air there's a tale intertwined with the soothing sound of rainfall's rhyme. By the river's curve the swans show grace. Their ballet drifts in this tranquil place. In the beer garden, rain plays a song. Quiet talk held under canopies long. Laughter mingles where the old tales belong. In the heart of Bavaria we stroll along. Cafes steam with warmth against the chill. Aroma of fresh bread gives the air its fill. Pasty for me that roll tighter with devotion in velvet keep. Kleines Spressending, Cheese Sama and Boom. Plaudern nur nach Coswood to fighting affairs. Rapping pretty sweet, talking up with us cigarette. You know the razor is increased. In hidden courtyards, ivy climbs. Through raindrop lenses, time redefines. Coffee aroma, old world charm. The rain's soft touch, a healing balm. Through misty panes we watch life flow. In this Bavarian gem where time moves slow. As the hours pass, the clock tower chimes. Rain-soaked history in sync with the times. Cobbled paths worn by souls of the past. In this place of legends, impressions that last. 'Neath awnings people share tales and smiles. Sheltered moments spanning the miles. Old city's breath alive in rain's embrace. Through watercolor streets our steps we trace. Echoes of the past like whispers interlace. Where history sleeps, Bavaria shows her face.